Hello friend, today's my presentation topic is cinema study genre and impact on society. Introduction. As we know that nowadays India cinema is becoming one of the oldest world cinema and also known for the largest term of output if it evolution in parallel to the western cinema with a little crossover until very recently leaves a lot of western movie goes with the impression that is daunting and unscriptable. Basic classification of film. Everything has some specific part which create new thing without combination of all things it's remaining incomplete, so that film can classify by the setting, topic, theme, mood, format, target audience or budget, etc. The setting is milieu or environment where the story and action take place. For example, Hellaro Sapak Tanaji film, a western film or space opera film. The theme or topic the movie which refer to issue or a concept that the film revolve around. For example, Dangal, Gold movie, or crime movie. The mood is the emotion tone of the film which matter a lot of audience. There are various kind of mood like comedy film, horror film. Format refer to the way the film was shot, like a long shot, camera movement, anamorphic, widescreen, or the manner of presentation. Additional way of categorizing film the genre is by target audience, so that censor board declares certificate which based on children's film. Literary genre criticism. A film genre is known as motion picture, which work based on similarity in either the narrative element or emotional responses in the film. Use various kind of genre like serious, comic, etc. Generally, film work through various kind of theory, and sometimes film genre are borrow from literary genre criticism. In the cinema world, the basic genre, including fiction of a documentary or sometimes use current issue or history, there are food subgenre or have emerged from the such as docudrama. Other subgenre including the courtroom and trial focused drama known as the legal drama. There are type of fictional which may be unrelated or may be combined to the form hybrid subgenre. Power of patriarchy in Bahubali. As we know that Bahubali was a series of two movies about kingdom and betrayal. It is a story about a young princess quest to find his parent and rightful place as the heir to the throne. Despite the brilliant cinematography, we find the blockbuster to the heavily male dominated with traditional sex role typing that try to reflect the social norms of mythical age and subtly reinforce the idea of genre and absolute power of patriarchy. New Historicism in Tanaji. New Historicism an approach which believe and insist that all system of thoughts and literary text must be simulated within a historical perspective, has been significantly influenced by the idea of Derridan post-structuralisms, Althusserian, Marxism, and Bakhtin's dialogism. Recently, those entire movie normally based on history, which put the character or characters' virtues or bravery in front of audience, which are hiding by others. While the concept textually of history and historicity of text may be said to have drawn from the Derridian belief that there is nothing outside the text and reality in textualization. Nowadays, cinema is a like term which deep rooted in our society, that even a 5-year-old kid could explain you the meaning of the same. Film is popular medium of mass communication and one of the biggest revenue earner for the country. This journey began on 7 July 1896 when Lumiere brothers of France organized a show of their short film like The Sibat. This event was described aptly by the Time of India as magic of the century and has truly left the Indian book. Purpose of cinema. The production narration technology The production, narration, technology, character, advertising, exhibitions, and even the purpose of cinema since at the cinema remain. The Hindi cinema has crossed over many paths. The contemporary period of Hindi cinema depicts the time from the late 1919 to the present 21st century. The word contemporary has often meaning that current or present time. Nowadays, the film business is more closely integrated with the other sector of the entertainment industry, and the nature of the film audience has also changed dramatically. Not only has the mode of making of film changed, but the narrative style and the script of the movie have become more in tune with present day demand and aspiration. The multifact culture. In the contemporary period of Hindi cinema, there has been a recent to multiplex exhibition of film. The multiplex theater is an exhibition space designed for multiple screening. India's first multiplex opened in New Delhi in 1997, and from then on, the multiplex sector in India has been phenomenal growth, especially over the last few years. The advent of multiplex has been a hard blow to the single screen. The multiplexes, which generally open inside big shopping malls, seek a middle class audience, primarily located in urban area. Desire of audience. The audience of the contemporary period has become more nature and adventurous, is no longer satisfied with the story being presented in novels way. The need for different issue, angel and narrative has grown. The audience now look for the combination of genre in a film movie with a good script and entertainment value is appreciated. For instance, the best example can be 3 Idiot, which was a blockbuster. The movie had everything, be it comedy, friendship, romance, or social message, all of which were blended in the way create the perfect mix of Hindi blockbuster. Conclusion. Cinema film have the power to influence the thinking of the people. They have sensed the society and social trends. They have introduced new fashion in society. They may be described as pace setter. They can create a direct impact on our social life. Film can go a long way towards arousing national consciousness and also in utilizing the energy of the youth in social reconstructions and nation building by a skillful adoptions of good moral, social, and educative themes. Thank you.